I'm going to show you guys how this round sink is made by CNC Machine and how square sink is made as well too. So let's go and watch it. This is the CNC Machine. This machine worth almost $2 million. Can do any round sink, any kind of sink. So the machine is programmed to do the round sink right now. So first it draws a circle in the center. Then the rotor comes down and it goes all around the granite. And it has to have a high pressure water that goes close into the router. Each sink to cut usually takes between 10 minutes to 12 minutes. So yeah, it's a pretty long process. When the CNC machine is done cutting the sink, it goes back to that center hole. Then the router goes up. Then you can take that extra granite and throw it in the garbage. And this is the finished piece. Look how nice and beautiful it looks. And now I'm going to show you guys how square sink is made. This piece that you guys see, this is quartz, and obviously you have to lift it with the crane to put it onto the suction cups that you see at the bottom. Now he's going to put 2 to 3 blocks of wood around the suction cups. Those little round silver things you see, those things suck the stone down so the stone doesn't move. And now we're going to go program the sink in. So you're going to program the sink exactly the measurements into the computer right there. Then we're going to get ready, make sure everything is exact. If you can see, everything is perfect now. And that's the CNC machine right there. It's going to go and get himself ready. He's going to go grab the router. First, he's going to drill the hole exactly where the sink is. That's the router is going to go grab right now. It's going to drill it in right now. And you need a lot of water again. And once he drilled the hole, he's going to go back exactly where he took the router, and he's going to change it to a little round with a diamond router, and he's going to cut all around. And now it's done. It's going to slowly move up and it's going to go back where it took the rotor again. And this is the finished piece, and that's the extra piece for the sink. Let me know if you guys like this video.